I know you're there. I can feel you. It's okay. I won't tell the others. Oh, she's wonderful. Triple-faced goddess. There's a shadow on her, isn't there? I don't think Dr. Entrati expected me to survive. I had a lot more than just a cough. But survive I did. Letty has not forgiven me for it. Blood? Oh, that's going to be a fight. Something bursting. Cross swords. Arthur. Quincy thinks he's going to wake up one night to find me chewing the flesh from his ribs. Maybe he's right. Don't expect me to tell you what I've seen inside of Mia's head. He's not a beautiful, broken marionette, and he's nobody's project. He's one of us. Howie? Well, she's lovely, and kind, and strong, and I kind of hate her a little bit. So it should have been her spreading her happiness into everyone's heads, and me throwing cars and trucks around. What on earth is a Mara Logue? I thought there were going to be two of you. Where's the other one? Oh, you are going to make such a difference this time around.